today I'm gonna be showing you guys the most sus sound in Brrokhaven, bro. Brrokhaven, please remove this, bro. Like, I'm not even joking. So if we head over to any car, and if you have why did I say premium? I mean music pass, you would be able to access this. But there's actually a very, very, very sus song, and that song is called DJ Kid. Like, I'm not even joking. This song is so sus. I want to throw my phone out of the window, bro. Let me play it for you guys. At the beginning, it sounds like really, like, it sounds normal, but when you get to like kind of the end, listen. Wait, how am I playing music on an ATV? Oh, here it is. Listen, bro, listen. Wait. Oh, I landed that. What the hell is this song, bro? I'm not even playing. Remove this song, Brrokhaven. Brrokhaven, I'm not playing. Remove this song, please. They are literal kids in this game. And when they have this beat box, they will just keep looking through every single flipping music, and then they would find that. You want kids to listen to that? Bruh. Remove that song, or else this is going to be my face if you do not remove it.